Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Recipe. So I didn't have work today, so I made Parker a delicious, healthy, yummy lunch. You just watched the demo, hopefully. We made hummus with roasted peppers in it, and we basically just grilled pita bread straight on the fire, and we made a tomato cucumber roasted pepper salad with basil, red wine vinegar. So what does this remind you of before we get started?
Israel.
Good answer.
Reminds me of Israel. You took me around and introduced me to hummus.
Yeah.
Real hummus in Israel.
We went to like the best hummus and falafel places in Tel Aviv and Jaffa, right?
Mm-hmm.
And but you know what's so funny? So I don't really eat breakfast in general because I don't like eggs. And so like I never want to go out for breakfast. Like I'll have like a grapefruit for breakfast, or a piece of fruit, or maybe a piece of toast, or maybe a bagel, everything bagel with butter and bacon, like on a fun day. But in general, like I don't care about breakfast, right? Because it's not the food that I like. But when we were in Israel, our hotel had a free breakfast every day, and that's like very common in Tel Aviv and I guess all over Israel, that they just the hotel offers this breakfast buffet. I have never seen anything like this in my life. It blew my mind. And what I loved about it, because they had like an omelet station, they had hard-boiled eggs, they had fresh squeezed orange juice, they had salmon platters, cream cheese, danishes, bagels, like 10 different types of bread that was all homemade that you just sliced with toasters. But then they had a salad bar with hummus and cucumber salads and olives and warm pita bread, and I literally probably gained 10 pounds in 2 weeks in Israel from the breakfast, because I would have a plate this big piled high. It was so good. It was my favorite meal of the day. It's the only time I've ever liked breakfast better than anything. Anyway, how is it?
Just like being in Israel.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
A Mediterranean breakfast.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
It's wonderful.
Hummus is so good.
And it's good for you, right?
It's so good for you. It's all protein.
Wow.
See, and he was laughing at me because he thought I burnt the pita. Now it looks a little burnt, but it just tastes smoky.
Yeah.
It's so good.
It tastes smoky. Let me do this. I have a plate
Yeah,
there.
I'm gonna set myself up. I'm gonna do a little hummus on here like glue.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna add a tiny bit of red onion because I love raw red onion. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this salad on top. Oh yeah.
I like it even better with that.
You do?
Delicious. Because it's sweet. The tomatoes are sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You guys, so easy. Come on. You can do this.
Lisa came to Israel and took me on a food tour. I tried to get, healthy and in shape to go do Greenhouse Academy.
Well, we both lost like 10 or 12 pounds before
we went.
you went. Yeah.
And in the time that we were there before I started filming, I put all the weight back on.
Because Tel Aviv literally
In
has
like
the
a
best
week.
food. It is one of the best food cities I've ever been to in my life.
And you don't like missing a meal.
And I can't miss a meal.
Opportunity.
So this is Parker's like comment all the time. We'll have like a really good lunch somewhere, and he'll be like, I'm good for dinner. And I'm like, what? What does having a good lunch have to do with not having dinner? I don't understand that concept.
Lisa has taught me a lot about appreciating good food. I always like good food, but I would never go out of my way for it. I just wanted to eat and get going. It's been really fun.
This is a good lunch.
It's wonderful. Yeah, I'm good for dinner.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon, okay? Keep watching.
This is really good too.
This is so good. Okay, Parks.
I can't imagine it being at the end of one of these behind the recipe and my saying, this one you can skip.
No, you can't.
No.
You guys, we're gonna eat
think
this
so.
whole thing in 5 minutes.
No.
Okay, let's turn it off.
We'll see you soon.
Love you guys. Bye.